Hello everyone, and thanks again coming back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel at Simple Pro Trader. So today I have a new indicator that I'm going to share with you, and hopefully it's gonna help you to trade a little bit stress-free. So here is how I approach it. What if we could buy around here, and sell somewhere at least in that area? I know it's not gonna be always perfect, but let's say we could do that, right? Let's say we could sell here, buy here, and then we could again buy maybe here or sell here, and we could do the same thing here, sell here, and maybe buy somewhere here. So in this chart, which is a 15 minutes chart, let's do longer time frame. Let's say we want to buy here and sell here. So what if we could do this? That way we could at least feel that we are buying low, selling high. So I tested a couple indicator, and one of them that is responding pretty good is the one I'm going to share with you. So make sure you stick around for the indicator. So the indicator that I am going to share with you called super trend. It's right here. Was our first one right in here, which is where we wanted to buy, and then this is where we wanted to sell. But we could have got triggered here as well, but it still would be in profit, because as you see, it uptrended all the way to here, and the sell triggered right in here. But what I'm trying to suggest is the higher time frame you go, it would be with less noise. So if you go 1 minute, you get a lot of buy and sell triggered, which is okay, but it's just too many trades at a very short period of time. I think 5 or 15 minutes would be a great time frame to use. As you can see, this is a 5 minutes, buy here, sell here, again buy here, sell here. It seems like it worked out in some area, and some of the area you get the better profit, and some maybe you get the shorter position. But overall, if we had our stop loss created, we would have been stopped out right below the lower candle, which it never triggered, and in this area we would be in profit, and the ratio it's really good. So I would suggest to give it a try, and make sure you do the back testing. You basically can tell if it was a real trade, if it would have worked for you. I did the back testing, and remember, even if you backtest, there is a reprint here, you probably would be getting out somewhere, I would say around here, because the whole candle finished and then the reprint happened after the second candle, which is right here. So you still be in profit. The same thing here. And if you are a short trader or you want a short position, you would have made also money here. As soon as you see the short here trigger probably around here, and you would be in the trade all the way as soon as you get this area, which is still possibly good ratio in a trade. So yeah, just give it a try. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video, and let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and of course share it if you feel like it's going to benefit some of your friends or whoever you think it's going to be beneficial to. And I'll see you in my next video.